Problem 4. Karen and Kalie search from points A and B towards each other back and forth. The first time they meet is 4 kilometers from point A. The second time they meet is 3 kilometers from point B. What is the total distance between points A and B? So first, let's create a sketch of what is going on. We have points A and B on either sides of a line segment that is going to represent the distance between them. This is A and here is B. Karen, I'll write R for her, starts from A, and Kalie, I'll write L, starts from the right side. And they first start going. And then they meet at a place that is, let's say right here. I'm gonna put a flag here with one on it to show that this is the first time that they met. And this is 4 kilometers from point A. So from here to here, 4 kilometers. And this may not be the most accurate drawing, but it's fine as long as we get the idea. Now, the second time they meet. The second time they meet has to be after they've both turned around. So it must look something like this. So they both turned around right here. And this is their second time meeting. Remember, they can even be these 2 points can even be the same point actually. It doesn't say whether it is or not, but I'm just putting it at random locations that would make sense. What is the total distance between points A and B? Well, so what really defines the distance that they walk? Well, what defines their distance is their speed, because they both go at the same time and they end at the same time. So really their times are the same. If there's any difference between the total distance that they walked, it would be because of their speed. So this, we need to have a full conclusion of the problem for our answer, because there is not only one answer. Our first scenario is R speed and L speed. So Karen and Kalie's speeds are the same. So that is one scenario. So they are the same. If their speeds are the same, then here's how we would express that. S would be equal to 4 times 3 minus 3, which is equal to 9 kilometers. So equal to 9 kilometers. So here, as you can see, how we got this was this. So in all, they walked, the first time they walked one full, let's call the entire distance S. They first walked one full S. The second time they met, they walked a full 2 S's. So basically, this 4 kilometers per hour was counted 3 times. And then, of course, we have to subtract that 3, and then we have 9 kilometers. So this would be the length of S if their speeds were the same. But what if R speed was faster? So let's say R was faster. So if R had a larger speed, then what would happen? Well, that would be S is equal to 4 plus 3 out of 3, which is equal to 5. So S would be equal to 5 kilometers. So I'm going to circle each of these just because these are 2 different possibilities. And finally, what we have is if L was faster, if Kalie was faster, what would that have been like? Well, if L was faster, the S would have been equal to 4 times 3 plus 3, which is equal to 15. So this is 15 kilometers. So our final answer would be 9, 5, and 50 kilometers long.